Hi there, this is the story of Klarna, a recent IPO, ticker symbol KLAR. Right now the market cap is about $16.2 billion and the price around $43 per share. And the most important question is whether this company is a great buy at the current market cap and current price. And the answer, you will find it in this box. During this video, open the box and you'll find the answer here. Now, to understand my answer, you have to look at this business, what they do, and what's their potential. Because if you can have 10x from this level, that's quite a lot. And you also have to look at the risk, of course. So revenue over the last 3 years, you can see quite high. 16 billion, 22 billion, 26 billion. And it's growing quite fast. And compare revenue for 2024, 26 billion, with the current market cap, 16 billion, quite high. That's a plus. And more importantly, they succeeded to report a small profit in 24. This is quite an improvement. If you look back to 23 and 22, a loss of 2.5 billion, a loss of 10 billion. This is quite a lot. So they have high growth, the revenue, and they have become profitable. If they can maintain this position, profitability, and grow it more in the future to achieve profit margins about 10%, let's say, and also have growth in the revenue, then yes, from this level, the market cap can easily double, easily a 2x. Now, you might wonder, what do they do? Well, this is a payment processing platform. They make money from fees, merchant fees, processing, checkout, and other services they offer to merchants. And 70% of the revenue comes from there. And 14% from consumer fees for late payments. Be aware of this, late payments. And of course, other services, financial services. As you can see, their strategy is to focus more on merchants. For processing, that checkout page, and of course, other value-added services. And then consumers, fees for late payments. The strategy is as follows. They offer this program, buy now, pay later, but with no interest to consumers for short periods of time. And because of this, they succeed to attract more merchants to their platform. They have over 150 million users. They have a strong presence in Europe, and they're expanding in the US and Asia. And here is the thing. This program, buy now, pay later. This is their strategy with zero interest. This market is expected to reach 9.2 trillion by 2032. So in the next 5 years, around that level. And you see this huge market share, and if they can reach 10% from that market, that would be a lot, quite a lot. And from this level can have more than 2x, 5x, 10x. That can happen. But only if they continue to grow, increase their market share, and attract more merchants to their platform. And of course, they are not alone. They also compete with other players, for instance, PayPal, Affirm, and other providers. And this is a problem. Competition, because when they start competing, on what do they compete? On fees, right? And the winner, or the winners, because in every market you have 3, 4, 5 winners, will be the one that offers better services. And to offer better services, yes, you need high tech, great platform, but also fees. Which one offers the lower fee will gain more market share. And this will be bad because, yes, the market share continues to grow, but if their fees also go down, that can be a risk. I mean, it's a risk for Klarna and the other players. Now, from this level, yes, you can have a double, in my view, but only if they can maintain their profitability and they don't dilute shareholders. Remember that this is a current IPO and we haven't seen their filings. If you read their prospectus, they warn you about dilution. That shareholders, if you buy this company, you will have more dilution. Now, if the revenue and also profits grow higher, then this will be a small risk. But we have to be aware, because for this year, at the end of this year or next year, they report a loss 2.5 billion or 10 billion. That will be covered by, guess what? Shareholders, common investors like us, who bought this company at this high price, and then over a longer period, the price can go down. So right now, I wouldn't go into this company. I'll wait till I see the reports, see exactly the ownership, see how much dilution they have, and also their numbers. I want to see their 10Q, 10Ks. Of course, this company is from UK and they'll report their 20F file. Now, to open the box and show you the answer, and I hope you understand it, whether this company is a great investment or not, my answer is no. It's not a great investment because we don't know for sure their profitability, if you can rely on their profits, and also about dilution and their future growth, if they can compete efficiently. Now, if you want better investment ideas where your risk of losing money is low and your returns quite high, simply go to my profile, page join, and choose Titan Investor. And there you have access to my portfolio. And my performance over the last 4 years, 40% a year. Amazing. On top of that, you also get access to an investing course and other in-depth analysis. By the way, every time I make a new transaction, I will make a new video for you, only for you. And by joining this level, you also have access to Spartan and Gladiator. So see you there if you want great profits. That's it for this video. And if you have other questions, please let me know in the comments.